Are you looking for a home that defines refined luxury and that was designed by Madison Taylor?
Or you're looking for a home that has a completely private living quarters upstairs or an amazing backyard oasis?
All that and more on today's episode.
Hey guys, Chad and Jules here. Today we're at 65 Gibb Avenue in beautiful Ant Mills. We're about 10 minutes outside of Barrie. This property is so new, the neighbors are just getting the finishing touches put on their property. We have over 3,500 square feet above grade here.
That's right, Chad. Not to mention we have almost 6,000 square feet of living space, which includes a spectacular loft area for your in-laws, your outlaws, and those kids that just won't leave.
This beautiful pie-shaped lot backs on EP, complete with an in-ground pool and a nice cabana. Come on in and take a peek.
Wow, now this room defines a great room. No detail has been spared. With 19-foot ceilings, custom wood beams, this space is bathed in natural light.
Absolutely. Like Jules just said, 19-foot ceilings. That's absolutely amazing considering this is an open concept design. You have quartz countertops all around, beautiful shaker cabinets as well, all overlooking the living room with custom cabinets and a gas fireplace. But my personal favorite, check it out over here. If you're just like me, you're absolutely going to love this space. Whether it's a nice morning coffee, your beverage center, or your small appliances, everything is out of sight, out of mind, conveniently located just off the side of your kitchen.
This wing of the house features a spectacular primary suite with a gorgeous ensuite and 2 walk-in closets. It's rounded out with 2 generous-sized bedrooms and a 4-piece bathroom. But my favorite feature is the convenient location of the laundry room. It's adjacent to the master bedroom and the other bedrooms, making doing your chores so convenient and easy.
We're upstairs now above the garage in a fully self-contained in-law or nanny suite. Just to my left here, you have a really good sized bedroom with lots of natural light and an office out back. You have a galley style kitchen with quartz countertops and a really nice bathroom. You have about 1,000 square feet up here. You're absolutely going to love this space.
Wow, now this is a backyard oasis. As Chad mentioned earlier, we're backing onto EP land, so you're never going to have to worry about privacy.
It's a nice pie-shaped lot, lots of square footage, a lot of different living spaces, including about 500 square feet of covered area back here. Let's go take a walk.
My favorite feature about this backyard oasis is this contemporary cabana with roll-up glass door front. It's the perfect spot for a yoga studio, an outdoor kitchen, or an artist retreat.
My favorite part about this backyard is this outdoor living space. If you know anything about Jules and I or our family, you know we love to entertain. Whether it's a glass of wine around the fire table or an outdoor dining area, you're absolutely going to love it. You have about 500 square feet of covered space here. Jules and I are in the backyard here, just going to climb up on this rock and work on our dives. That you are not going to see today, but the real showstopper is this pool behind me.
That's right, Chad. Complete with a diving rock and plenty of places to lounge, this pool checks off all the boxes.
We are the Knowles Wolseley team, and we know spring water. For more information on this listing and more like, visit our website.